Groundbreaking new research has found Alzheimer's disease attacks the body up to 25 years before a patient is diagnosed with symptoms. Professor Peter Schofield from Neuroscience Research Australia joins me now. Professor, thank you so much for your time this afternoon.
Good afternoon, Amelia.
Just firstly, how significant is this study?
Well, this is the first time we've been able to really get that look into the very first things that happen in the development of Alzheimer's disease.
This, of course, affects so many people across Australia. What does research mean, first of all, for those people who already have Alzheimer's?
This is important research because it tells us how the disease progresses, and it's giving us important insights into how we may be able to treat it. But it's really about being able to diagnose it that I think the main benefits will come in the first instance.
And so what are the main findings then of the study, Professor?
In this study, as an international collaborative group, we looked at people with very rare form of familial or early onset Alzheimer's, a disease that you have in your 40s or 50s, for example. And we could see changes in the chemicals in the brain 25 years before those people presented with illness. So that early window means that if we could then go in and stop 25 years of progression, of deterioration, of breakdown of the brain and dementia, then that's the way in which we may in time be able to actually cure it.
Wow, that is a fascinating breakthrough. So does this mean that that research could potentially lead to a test for Alzheimer's in the future?
Indeed. The information that we've examined, the molecules that we've examined are already known, so we haven't discovered them. But what we've been able to do in this particular study is to show that the changes happen so early and are actually able to be measured. That makes an important step. If you can't measure something, how can you treat it? If you can't measure something, how could you possibly prevent it before you're already suffering from the ravages of dementia?
Yeah, it is a huge breakthrough. Professor, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you.